Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to record the hyperlapse video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the hyperlapse mode. So let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button here at the center. So let me start to show you how it works. And this is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the hyperlapse should speed up the original video. And now let's stop by tapping again on this button to see the video. Let's move to the left to this one. When we pick here, we get quick access to the gallery. And this is how the hyperlapse video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.